Hello guys, hello Philippines, hello world. This is again, I am a singer, Eternal Voice. Now, I'm still not finished with basic mathematics. So I will introduce to you the different prefixes used in mathematics, in which you will be able to use this in higher mathematics or even in pure sciences, computations or problems, right? Okay, so I will write this one by one. Okay, exponential negative first. Okay, wait, how can I do this? Okay, here. Okay, hello guys, so negative first. Okay, these are called prefixes. For conversion. Prefixes for conversion. Wait. Okay, like this. This is our lesson for this moment. Prefixes for conversion. So we have two types: raised to the power positive and raised to the power negative, and our base will be 10. Okay, let's start with negative. 10 to the negative 1. Let's have a subdivision. 10 to the negative 1 is DC. So that's why we have decimeter. Okay, 10 to the negative 2 10 to the negative 2 will be centi. That's why we have 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. So that means centi. Okay, negative 2. So centi. 10 to the negative 3 10 to the negative 3, this is micro. So that's why we have micrometer, 1 micrometer, blah blah blah, like this, so and so. Later we'll be able to have a conversion, but we introduce you first the prefixes negative, 10 to the negative. Okay, so this is micro. Then we have next 10 to negative 6. Sorry, this is not micro. This is milli. Sorry for that. Milli. Because I remember milli. I remember the 1 liter is equals to 1000 millimeter. So there are 3 zeros in millimeter. Okay, so I memorized that before. Now I prove that here. That's why I got mistake. That is not micro. That is 10 to the 3. That is milli. Okay, 1000 millimeter is equals to 1 liter. So there are 3 zeros, right? Okay, so 1000 millimeter is equals to 1000 milliliter is equals to not millimeter, milliliter. Okay. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So that means 3 zeros, because there are 3 zeros for 1000 milliliter. Okay, 1 liter of Coca-Cola is equals to 1 milliliter. That means 3 zeros. And then, okay, like that. Okay, 1000 millimeter is equals to 1 meter. something like that. Okay, so that's milli, not micro. Okay, so this is good in memorization, because if you try to get wrong, you can prove that somewhere along the way if you write and rewrite what you have memorized, especially if you memorize the basic conversion. Okay, and then when you write it in the paper, and then you recall that there's gonna be like this, and then you will change immediately by quick thinking, something like that. Okay, that's the power of the memory. And then you have to analyze it. This is gonna be like this, it's impossible, something like that. So this is milli. 10 to negative 3, that is milli. Okay, 10 to negative 6, that is micro. Okay, because if you will purely memorize and then you forgot, you will be entirely wrong also. That's why you need to analyze and understand after your memorization. Okay, not purely memorization, but you have to understand and analyze what you are trying to memorize. Okay, just like this. Okay, so if I will just purely memorize, I cannot prove that is really wrong, right? So as early as possible, it was corrected, because I analyze and understand that there are 3 zeros like this, 1000 milliliter, 1 liter, like this, that's blah blah blah. Okay, micro, 10 to the negative 6. Okay, so may wrong na ako ng isa, yung milli, 10 to the negative 3. 10 to the negative 9 is nano. So that's why we have 1 nanometer, blah blah blah, so on. So that is raised to the power negative 9. Okay, ten to the negative 12 is what? This is pico, and this is not usually used nowadays, the pico. Okay, this is 10 to the negative 12. Okay, that's too much zeros, but sometimes it will be used in problem solving, but rare. Okay, unusual. Okay, when the exponential power will become higher, it's rarely used. Okay, this is only giving you an information. Okay, 10 to the negative 12 will be pico. Okay, 10 to the negative 15 is femto, F-E-M-T, T-double-O, one tail lang pala, femto. Just review if this is spelling, femto, double T or the one T only, I forgot also, femto. Okay, and then 10 to the negative 18 is the Alto. Okay, Alto. Now, I don't know what is 10 to the negative 21. Okay, as you can notice, there's a difference of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay? Like this. And now we go to the exponential, or 10 raised to the power positive. Okay. 10 to the 1 is deca. To deca. That's why we have decagon. Decagon is a polygon having 10 sides equal. So decagon is a polygon that have 10 sides equal. Okay, in geometry. Okay. 10 to the 2. That is hecto. So we have hectogram like this. Hecto. 10 to the 3 is kilo, the most common one in the market, in the mall, public market. How many kilos is this? This is three zeros. Raised to the power 3. So 1,000 or kilo. 1 kilo. 10 to the 3. 10 to the 3 kilo or 1,000. Okay. 10 to the 6. Muna na siya yung mega star, Sharon Conetta. Or mega shout out to everybody. So that is 10 to the power 6. Mega star. So 10 to the 6. Okay. Mega. 10 to the 9. This is giga. That's what we have for the storage of our flash drive or our storage in the laptop or computer. We have gigabyte. That means 10 to the 9. Okay, meaning 9 zeros. Okay, giga. And then 10 to the 12. What's this 10 to the 12? 10 to the 12 is tera. And so we have teragram like this. Tera, so 12 zeros. And then we have the 10 to the 15. 10 to the 15 is Ezzah. 15 zeros. Oh, no, sorry. It's peta. Okay, sorry for that, this peta. Because after tera is peta. Okay. Like that. 10 to the 18. Nagkatawa jud ko. 10 to the 18 is Ezzah. So if I see a polygon that contains 18 sides equal, that is hexagon. A polygon that contains 15 sides equal, that is peta. A polygon that contains 12 sides equal, that is a teragon. So teragon, okay, pentagon, and hexagon. Okay. But in positive, we have 10 to the 21. Okay. What is 10 to the 21? Research for that. I forgot also. I think it's Ezzah. E-double-Z-A. I'm not really sure. After Ezzah, Ezzah, because X is after X there's still Y and there's no Iya. Okay, but there's Z. So that after X there's Z. So I think this is Ezzah after Ezzah. I'm not really sure. Ezzah. I-review nyo rin. Ezzah 10 to the 21. Here, negative, it looks like nothing. But just try to research also if have. And tell me also. Okay? So up to 10 negative 18 only. Actually, there's 10 negative 21. Supposedly. And so on and so forth. Okay? Here is Ezzah 10 to the 18. And so a polygon that have 18 sides are equal is Ezzah. Like that. Or Ezzah 10 to the 21. Ezzah. Sure ba yan? This is okay. So thank you so much for watching this video all about prefixes for conversion that is very useful in basic mathematics as we go along the way in solving mathematics problem. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye-bye.